you get home from school, you take as many minutes as you need to chill and eat a snack and use the bathroom, not to exceed 45, and then you do the hardest homework first, which no kid does. You do the hardest homework first, and then you do the easier stuff, and then when you're done, then you do the fun stuff, not the other way around. You'll have more time to do fun stuff if the hardest work takes you less time than it would have. The only way for it to do that is to like pound a bunch of protein when you get on the bus. And then you get home and you chill for a little bit and get your wits back, and then you start the work, right? I'm a big fan of sending a kid to school with a backpack full of protein so that they don't accidentally fritter away an hour looking for a snack when they get home and then get sucked into Fortnite.